Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mark. Are you concerned about recovering from the events of 2020? Maybe you're unclear or uncertain as to what 2021 is going to look like. Maybe you're feeling like you've been knocked off of your ascension path and don't know where to turn. Well, if that resonates with you, I can assure you you're in the right place. The ascension journey is filled with turmoil at times. A lot of low frequency vibrations rearing their head, simply to be acknowledged, simply to be healed. And we've sure had a lot of those in 2020. 2021 is going to be the year to heal, the year to align with higher frequencies, the year to start manifesting from those frequencies. This is going to be the year to change your life. Are you looking for answers on how to move forward? If you are, my channel is not for you. What I focus on is showing you where to look within you. We all possess the knowledge and the answers that we seek. My videos focus on just that, showing you how to become the healer of your own body, your own mind, and your own spirit. If this resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel. I put out 2 to 3 videos per week on these very topics, along with topics about ETs, our star family, spirit guides, connecting with these energies, as well as focusing on healing and bringing the mind, body, and spirit together as one. So I look forward to talking with you in the future. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Love and light.